Hi, second grade. I just wanted to make a quick video to help you guys out while you're working on your internet safety review. So once you go to your Google Classroom, you'll see this listed under Mr. Bray Technology. The first thing you're going to do is write your first and last name in this field. Then there's three questions I want you to answer. I'm going to read them for you so it can help you in answering the questions. All of these questions go with the Brain Pop video that we just watched in class. Here is question number one. How can you stay safe while online? The first choice is share your password with friends. The second choice is give out your address and phone number. The third choice is only open emails from people you know. Second question is what should you do if a stranger contacts you? First choice, send a message back to the stranger. Second choice, call the stranger on the phone. Third choice, tell an adult you trust. Last question, which is a piece of personal information? First choice is the temperature outside. Second choice is your home address. The third choice is the number of people who live in Maine. Thank you so much. When you are finished, hit the submit button and you will be done. Thank you.